Well, Bob, we already made it clear at the beginning of the newscast that it's been a rainy day.
Yes.
Maybe some rain tomorrow, not as bad.
Right now it's looking a little bit better, but still we're going to get some showers and storms around. The news is, though, as we talked about, the storms are not severe. They're just heavy rainmakers, and that causes flooding. When it comes down at the rate it does, too, 2 inches an hour, it just washes off into the roads and causes all sorts of problems when it comes to that. So
really careful driving.
Yeah, you got to be careful driving, especially when you get these downpours coming on in. Slow it down a little bit, and remember, if your wipers are on, use your lights too. And don't use the flashers. It's not allowed. You know, so the rain is so hard, a lot of people put their flashers on. You're not supposed to do that. Casey Key webcam showing a cloudy, dreary day, and the waves picking up too there. You can see that throughout this evening. And although we were under a rip current advisory, that has since expired, and we are not anticipating that again tomorrow. However, we are anticipating some clouds around again tomorrow. And get a look at this. This is that shot we saw earlier from Ray Collins' package. Mike Resendez sending this in. This is of a drone as the sun was rising, looking out over Sarasota Bay from Lido, and you can see there the clouds around. Not much of a sunrise and not much of a sunset. This one, the sunset at Siesta. Cindy Desmond getting this one with a lot of clouds around as well. We're looking to see less clouds as we push into Wednesday now. So this system will be weakening and starting to move away from us. It's already starting to move away from us. And then a little bit more sunshine on Wednesday, and then back to real normal conditions on Thursday. A little bit of transition day on Wednesday. But more rain possible tomorrow. We could see an additional 1 to 3 inches now. The models have come back down a little bit on that. But again, there could be some isolated areas that could see a little bit more. Right now, the heaviest rain by far off in the northeast Gulf of Mexico. We really got lucky with the system being so far north and over land. Had it been a little bit further south and in the Gulf of Mexico, we would have got a lot of onshore flow with where they had up to 25 inches of rainfall here in the Gulf of Mexico. Luckily, the system did stay to the north, and we are still getting some rainfall. It is causing some problems here with some street flooding, but not nearly as bad as it could have been as far as that goes. Light rain now occurring from Inglewood southward down near Cape Hayes, and looks like Punta Gorda getting some rainfall. By far the heaviest storms to the north of us right now. Rainfall amounts, so these are estimates, near Lakewood Ranch, nearly 3 inches. That's just today with these showers and storms, and near Inglewood, 3 inches, Northport as well, and places to the north. I mentioned that 24-inch rain total right there, smack dab in the northeast Gulf of Mexico, and over land near Dixie County and Taylor County, they've had over a foot of rain just in the past 48 hours, I should say. As far as the rain goes now, most of it now clearing away from the panhandle. There's still a flood watch in effect over the entire coast there from just north of Tampa all the way up to Apalachicola. 79 now. We have fair skies, a few clouds around. Dew point still pretty high at 74. Humidity 84%, and the high today a little bit below average because of the increased cloud cover, and the record high 96 set in 93. 71/100ths of an inch of rainfall at the Sarasota Braden Airport. Statewide temperatures into the upper 70s to mid 70s here. Even some low 80s right near the water. 82 degrees in Braden Beach, the same in Cortez now. 77 in Arcadia, Avon Park at 77 degrees. Well, this particular forecast model showing some showers approaching. A little underdone, I think, because that line's already here. And then Tuesday afternoon, showers and storms gathering, pushing onshore, and some bigger storms inland as a result of that little bit of an east wind starting to develop around that area of high pressure. Wednesday, we'll still see showers. We'll still see storms in the afternoon, and those will have a tendency to work back toward the coast. So a little bit more sunshine on Wednesday and especially on Thursday, bringing the rainfall total down, this particular model, to 1 to 2.5 inches of rainfall for the Suncoast running in through Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. Now, the overall picture shows the clouds starting to lessen there over northeast Florida as this system all kind of tracks off to the west and weakens. High pressure is building back in behind it. Elsewhere in the tropics, all is quiet right now, and that's the way we like it. Temperatures around the U.S. into the mid-70s, 76 in Cleveland, 74 in Minneapolis, 87 though in Dallas, and reverse those numbers for Boston, Phoenix at 105 at this hour. Still hot in Phoenix. Seas a little higher than usual, 2 to 4 foot seas. We'll have a moderate chop as a result of the winds out of the south at 10 to 15 knots. And the water temperature has cooled a little bit now, down to 85 degrees. Just a week ago, it was at 91. And tonight's forecast, overnight storms developing in the Gulf. Good chance for showers, and a few thunderstorms are possible before sunrise. Tomorrow, rain chance still high at 80%, and we'll have a high of 88 degrees. More storms And it appears that the light at the end of the tunnel will begin on Wednesday. More sunshine around, rain chance lowering, and then really back to those 50-50 chance of showers and storms in the afternoon and evening, riding in through the weekend.